Welcome to Level Up Math for All. Let's learn area of circle formula and then try to solve a small problem to find area of a circle. Circle is a similar closed shape in Euclidean geometry. So we'll learn about circle later point of the time, but the formula for circle, area of a circle is A is equal to pi r squared. What do you mean of pi? What do you mean of r? Pi is a mathematical constant that represents a ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. So first of all, we need to know what is diameter. Then we have to understand what is the radius. Then why we have the pi value as a 3.14159. As I mentioned, the pi value is a constant, mathematical constant. So the thing is, the value is 3.14159. Please remember this value or make use of this value everywhere whenever you see the pi. So let's look into the diameter. The diameter is nothing but it is passing through a circle, two different points, and it via connecting its center, and it should be a straight line in the sense like if we have a point here to connect here and it should pass through the center. So the thing is the diameter always twice of the radius. The radius is nothing but connecting to one edge of the circle to getting up to center of the circle. So it can go from here to here, or it can go from here to here or here to here. It's any direction, but it should start from the center and it should touch the circle's edge. So the two times of radius means radius plus radius is equivalent to diameter. Maybe half of the size of diameter is nothing but radius. Now, to find area of a circle, the formula is A, as you know, capital A is represented as an area equal to pi times r square. R square is nothing but r times r. So what we need to do, we need to multiply radius with the radius, then multiply with the pi. Pi, as I mentioned, is a mathematical constant, and the value of pi is 3.14159. Before we try and learn more, please subscribe, make a comment, and like the channel, and click on the bell icon so that you will get future alerts. Let's look at the same thing, right? First of all, what do you mean of an area of a circle? Basically, the area of a circle is the measure of the region enclosed by the circle boundary. The circle boundary is this, and we want to find the region enclosed within the boundaries. That is called the area of a circle. So as we know, we have a formula to find area of a circle, that is pi r squared. R is nothing but radius, and pi is a mathematical constant, and the value is 3.14159. So let's try to find area of a circle here with a real example. So there is a sample question. Find the area of a circle with radius of 10 meters. So we have to find area of a circle where the radius of circle is 10 meters. So if you put it into the graphical representation, in the circle, the radius, as I mentioned, it touches from one of the edge, it goes into the midpoint of the circle, and that's called radius, and it is 10 meters. So always make sure that whenever you do any graphical mathematical problems solution, when you try to find the right solution, make sure that you take a pen and paper, put it on the paper and put a diagram and put the values according to the given problem. So that will be easier for you to understand the problem and apply the formula and substitute the values appropriately so that you can answer the question, or you can solve the problem pretty easiest way and accurate way. In this scenario, area formula for a circle A equal to pi r square. So the given radius r, that is r, is 10 meters, And we know the pi value is 3.14159. So let's substitute these values, right? So the thing is, formula is pi r square. That is nothing but 3.14159 substituting the pi. R square is nothing but 10 square. That is nothing but pi value times 10 times 10. We are expanding the 10 square. So the pi value times 100, that eventually 314.159. Or you might know the decimals, or if not, we will learn about decimals in other video. So the area of a circle is approximately 314.159 square meters. One thing you should remember, any graphical representation, if you are finding area, the thing is, if you look into the given values, like either radius or sides or any height or anything, if you see them in meters, the response means the value of that area get into a square meters. If you see here meters, it should be square meters. If you see here centimeters, it should be in square meters, square centimeters. This is applicable only for area. I'm not talking about other. Okay, it's your time to do a problem on your own. So the thing is, try to find the area of a circle with a radius of 5 centimeters. The problem you are going to solve is you are going to find the area of a circle where the radius of the circle is 5 centimeters. Just imagine here, the R is 5 and we are talking about centimeters. The result should be in square centimeters. When you apply it into a pi square, give it a shot, you will definitely get the right answer. Please subscribe Level Up Math for All, like it, post the comment, click on the bell icon for future videos. Thank you.